Hello everyone, today we're comparing two powerful contenders in the world of finance apps, Simplifi and Monarch Money. These apps promise to streamline your budgeting, track your investments, and give you a clear picture of your financial health. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, security and privacy, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Simplifi and Monarch Money, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to their features comparison, and first let's compare the type of service they have. So Simplifi has budgeting and expense tracking with a focus on simplicity, while Monarch Money comprehensive financial tracking and budgeting. So when it comes to budgeting features, as you can see, Simplifi has essential budgeting tools with less customization, while Monarch Money has highly customizable budgeting features. And when it comes to bill tracking, Simplifi has superior bill tracking and reminder capabilities, while Monarch Money has functionalities for tracking bills and setting reminders. So another features we have is the transaction rules, and as you can see, Simplifi is limited to changing merchant names and categories, while Monarch Money empowers users to craft personalized transaction rule. And when it comes to design, Simplifi has function first design prioritizing usability, while Monarch Money is a modern, intuitive, and clean design across web and mobile platforms. And when it comes to collaboration, Simplifi has single user. Sharing data requires sharing login details, while Monarch Money has a built-in collaboration with separate logins for partners and advisors. And another features we have is the asset tracking, and Simplifi is a manual entry for home and vehicle values, while Monarch Money is automatic syncing of real estate and vehicle values. And when it comes to budget flexibility, Simplifi doesn't have any rollover budgets, while Monarch Money is a flexible budgeting tools, including rollovers and budget by group category. When it comes to data migration, Simplifi restricted data transfer, so account must be uploaded one by month, while Monarch Money has a full data migration from Simplifi account in one single upload. So that's their difference. So now we're done with the features. Let's go to the pricing. And as you can see, we have three categories: free trial, basic plan, and premium plan. When it comes to free trial, as you can see, Simplifi offers 30-day free trial available on any plan that you choose, while Monarch Money has 7-day free trial available. So when it comes to basic plan, Simplifi offers basic plan for $4 per month or $40 per year, while Monarch Money doesn't have any basic plan. So when it comes to a premium plan, as you can see, Simplifi offers it for $8 per month or $96 per year, while Monarch Money offers it for almost $15 per month. So that's it for the pricing. So now let's go to the security and privacy settings. And as you can see, when it comes to encryption, both Simplifi and Monarch Money has a industry standard encryption to protect users' data. So when it comes to data protections, as you can see, Simplifi likely follows standard data protection protocols, while Monarch Money implements strong measures to safeguard users' information. When it comes to users' privacy, Simplifi prioritizes user privacy with settings easily managed within the app, while Monarch Money offers a comprehensive approach to users' privacy. When it comes to security features, Simplifi not detailed publicly but expected to be comprehensive, while Monarch Money provides detailed security features for a user accounts. And another security features, which is privacy policy. When it comes to Simplifi, it is available for users to review and understand data handling, while Monarch Money has a transparent privacy policy detailing the data usage and protection. When it comes to third-party access, Simplifi limits third-party access to user data, ensuring privacy, while Monarch Money restricts third-party access, maintaining a high level of privacy. So when it comes to account safety, Simplifi offers features to enhance account safety and prevent unauthorized access, while Monarch Money includes additional layer of security to protect against unauthorized access. So now we are done with the features and the pricing. So let's go directly to their pros and cons, and let's start by discussing the Simplify pros. So when it comes to pros, Simplify offers more intuitive reporting features and simplified budgeting features, and they have a better transaction editing capabilities and can mark every transaction as reviewed. They offer much cheaper subscription compared to Monarch Money and have a purer account linking errors in their app history compared to other apps. And lastly, they are operated by Quicken, and that's it. They has a long-standing reputation. So that's it for their pros. And when it comes to cons, as you can see, Simplify lacks some advanced features compared to other personal finance app, and the interface can be laggy sometimes, and some accounts that don't work in Mint also don't work in Simplify. So that's it for the cons. So now let's talk about the Monarch Money pros and cons. And when it comes to pros, Monarch Money is faster and has more responsive web and iOS app compared to other platforms. And it has more visually appealing interface. We know that. And they offers automatic budgeting plan, and the recurring transaction calendar seems better with fewer duplicates. And lastly, they have a bonus forecast calendar feature, which is very important. So when it comes to cons, so as you can see, Monarch has more account linking errors than Simplify, and their plan subscription is very expensive compared to Simplify, which is $15 per month compared to $8 per month. And the Mint import did not work for some users. So that's it for the Monarch Money pros and cons. So now we're done with them. So let's go directly on the which app is the best for you. So firstly, let's discuss who should choose Simplify. So as you can see, Simplify is referable for someone who prefer user-friendly budgeting tools that are easy to navigate and use, and someone who wants to define monthly spending limits and saving goals, someone who are looking for an affordable options with a straightforward pricing model, someone who value the convenience of managing finance on the go without needing a desktop, and lastly, someone who desire a fresh and unique approach to personal finance with excellent tools for managing transactions. So if you have all of these qualities, I prefer that you choose Simplify rather than the Monarch Money. So now let's discuss who should choose Monarch Money. And as you can see, Monarch Money is perfect for someone who are looking for an all-in-one solution to gain clarity into their financial situation. Someone who prefer detailed financial tracking and planning capabilities. Someone who want the ability to create manage rules for transaction categorization. Someone who need a comprehensive budgeting system that includes goals integrated directly into the budget, and someone who appreciate a calendar view of recurring transaction to better manage their finance, and lastly, someone who value real-time insights into their spending to help save money. So if you have all of this quality, I recommend that you choose Monarch Money rather than Simplify. So now we are done, and in conclusion, as you can see, Simplify and Monarch Money both provide distinctive features that address various demands related to money management. For anyone who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their finance, Simplify is a terrific option because of its user-friendly design and personalized insight. However, those who want to accumulate money over time will find that Monarch Money's retirement planning and investment tracking tools are perfect for them. So recall that the best tool for you will rely on your spending preferences and financial goals. Thus, give it some thought as to what features you want from a money management app. So now, with that being said, the comparison is over, and the question left is, what platform will you choose? It is Simplify or Monarch Money. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.